Welcome back. Connecting shapes in PowerPoint with the elbow arrow is essential for flowcharts and diagrams. The elbow connector is unique because it automatically bends to avoid overlapping other shapes while staying locked to the object it connects. So for this you need to click on the insert, click on the shapes and pick the elbow connector arrow and now draw it on the slide. So now look for the yellow diamond handle in the middle of the line and click and drag that yellow handle to shift the position of the bend, like this one. If you want to increase the thickness of the arrow, you need to click on the shape format and click on the shape outline and first change the color and then again click on the shape outline and click on the weight and change the weight to the 4 by 1 half pt. And if you want to use some dashes, you can also use these dashes which are available here. Moreover, under the shape format you can rotate the position from the rotate right to 90% and this is the rotate left to the 90%, and this is the flip vertical and this is flip horizontal. If you want to add the arrow on the both side of the line, then click on the shape format and click on the shape outline and then click on this arrows and select the both sided arrow, and here you can see that. So now I hope you understand how to link shapes with elbow arrow connector. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.